Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today I am out in the woods and I'm going to film a video all about the unboxing of some beads that I just got at Walmart. I'm going to show you my surroundings here. This is a little cooking area my husband built from an old fireplace and that came from our little cabin across the way, but I'm just out here among all the trees in Tennessee. It's really pretty. Okay, so the video is all about these goodies that I found at Walmart. I knew the next time I went to Walmart, I was wanting to check out the Jesse James beads. And I've already done a couple of videos about some other mixes that Walmart carries. And I'll try to leave a link either in the description box below or at the end of this video, so you can go click on that if you're interested. But I wanted to get a couple more, and so I got this one called Champagne Bubbles. It's the window box bead mix, and they have several of them. They had red and black and all colors. And I got the peach Coral Queen. Isn't that pretty? And then I got these Design by Me bead mix. I had my granddaughter with me and she goes, I like the colorful one. And so did I. So I went ahead and got this. And then I got this turquoise one. And I'm like, you know what? If I'm going to make some things, I'm going to, besides beads, need some other things. I am not at my home. I'm actually in Tennessee right now. And I don't have any of my beading supplies. So I got some ear wires, I got head pins, some lobster claw clasps, some split rings. They didn't have any jump rings except for these. And I thought this was pretty interesting. I like the case that it's in. Look at all the different sizes. And then I got some 22 gauge silver tone wire. And I wanted to get some 20 gauge silver tone wire, but they didn't have any. So we're doing 20 gauge. And if I use that, we'll just mix our metals. I mean, when you look in here, there's a lot of gold. And I couldn't find any little seed beads. Usually I do use small little seed beads with my stuff. Hopefully we won't need them. Anyway, this video, I'm going to unbox one of these. Not for sure which one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open one of these. It says there's more than 50 pieces in there. We'll count them and see exactly how many are in there. But I decided to open the turquoise. And you know, the turquoise will go good with the coral, and the turquoise would go with the champagne bubbles. And I think it would go good with some of the things in here. But I really like the turquoise and the coral with it. Anyway, let me get these sorted out. They did come in a Ziploc baggie, which is nice. We've got to put them all in there. Look at all the flash. All right, so I opened them up and I counted them. And even though it says there's more than 50 pieces, there was not. There are only 46 pieces, so won't. But I'll have to say they're really pretty. It's a mixture of metal, acrylic, and glass beads. And we have a little bit of fiber in here with these pretty little tassels. And as I look at this and I was pulling them out, I noticed there's a lot of them that are 2, 2, and 2. So this will probably make a lot of really nice earrings. So we have, like I said, we have 2 of these. And then we have 2 of these really pretty glass beads. These are acrylic. And I'm okay with acrylic, you know. I mean, there's some good acrylic out there. It's made to look like howlite. And these are really pretty. And I think these are acrylic. And then we have these pretty glass crystals. And these pretty glass crystals. Look at the facet in those. And then we have these pretty metal beads. You know, I could even see making, if you're into stretch bracelets and stuff, this would really be pretty. Okay, let's look at these. We've got some square glass crystals. These are kind of interesting. I don't know if you see the variation there. It's like, I don't know how to really explain it. There's like a line there, and it's different from at the top and the bottom. And then we have some more metal beads. These little daisies, little spacers. And then we have these metal bicones. And these beads, which the hole is at the top there. So it's like a briolet. And the holes at the top on these also. There's 1, 3, 4, 6 of those. And then we have, whoops, these pretty crystals. I think these are glass. And then we have these bicones. And I believe there's, let's see, 2, 4, 8 of these. Here's one last look of all of them together. And they come in a really nice bag. It's not, you know, like a sandwich bag. The bag is a little bit thicker. So once you use up all your beads, you can put more beads in there. Stay tuned for some more unboxings and creating with all this fun stuff. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.